It's manicure day. Finally received this lovely green color. So I'm about to apply it. So as I already mentioned, no base coat needed or top coat. What I'm just doing is I'm just gently buffing my nail with a very fine nail file. I think it's the 220 grit. And I'm just kind of not applying a lot of pressure at all, just buffing my nail. I had already shaped them. So just a little gentle buff. I did wash my hands prior to doing this with some Dawn liquid dish soap because it does remove grease or oil. Or this is a very important step. It is an alcohol wipe, and what it does is it really preps your nail for your nail polish application. So you want to rub this all over your nails, maybe along the edge. And you want to give that a few seconds to dry. And you'll know when it's dry. You'll see that it turns your nail a little bit like white. So just wait a few seconds. I'm going to rub the bottle between my hands to mix it without adding any air bubbles. And here we have this gorgeous light green color. So perfect for spring. You want to wipe off a lot of polish. And your first few coats are going to be really, really thin. Like you're literally going to still be able to see through the polish. So you want to apply it in thin coats. And like, I'm going to wipe this off again because I don't want it to pool. Because if you've ever done your nails yourself at home, and specifically like a gel or shellac maybe, you'll notice that sometimes if you put it too thick, it kind of like gets ripply and it doesn't cure properly. So that's going to be my first coat. I'm just gently going to cap my nail. I have very short nails, so I'm just going to go from underneath. And this is all that's required to cap your nail's edge. I don't know if you can see there. And then before I cure, I'll just go back this way. So I think I'll do 2 nails at once. This polish is self-leveling, which means that when you apply it and you leave it on your nails for a few seconds, you're going to see that it's going to like settle, and you won't have like brush strokes anymore, which is really what you want when you're doing your nails. So I don't know if you can see there, I've left a little gap around, and I know some people don't like the look of that, but your nails will last a lot longer. So I'll cap this edge and then we'll cure. The mini LED lamp that I got with my enrollment kit is only made for 2 fingers, but I mean, it only takes a minute, so it's not a long time. So you just put your fingers underneath and the light does the magic. So I've got 4 fingers here with 1 coat, so I'm going to apply another very thin coat. Okay. Finish off with this matter effect, and it's like a top coat that's going to give my nails a matte finish, and I think that's what I'll stick with for this time. And let's see how it looks after. I'm freaking out. I'm in love with this pale green color, and even more in love with this matte top coat. I've previously used a matte top coat, but it wasn't, I can't even compare the quality of this one. It's smoothed to the touch. Yeah, I'm impressed. So that's how simple it is. And then I'll have to do my other hand, but you get the gist.